The Haas Tooling Add-in for Fusion allows you to import Haas tools and holders into your Fusion tool library. It also guides you in purchasing tools, holders, and work holding from your active document or from the Haas catalog. The Haas Tooling Add-in can be downloaded directly from the tool library in Fusion. Access the tool library and scroll down to the vendor libraries and click the eye icon next to Haas Tooling. Then click Go to App Store. Once you're in the App Store, select your operating system and then click Download. Alternatively, you can download the add-in from the Utilities tab. Click the Add-in menu and select Fusion App Store. Once you're in the App Store, search for Haas Tooling. Then select the Haas Tooling Add-in. Select your operating system and then click Download. Once you've installed the add-in, go back to Fusion and go to the manufacturing environment. The add-in will be available in the Manage section of the Milling tab, the Turning tab, and the Utilities tab. To launch the add-in, select the icon. The first time you launch the add-in, you'll be prompted with the terms and conditions. First, select your country, then review the terms and conditions. Accept them, and click Accept. To access the catalog of Haas tools and holders, click the plus icon. Once the catalog is opened, we can use the filters to find the tool we're looking for. Here, we'll select hole making, and we'll select drill, and set a diameter equal to 3/4 of an inch. Once we've applied the filters and found the tool we're looking for, we can select it and click the Add to Tool Library button to add it to our local tool library. Similarly, we can use the filters to find holders. Once we've found the holder we're looking for, we select it and click the Add to Tool Library icon to add it to our local tool library. If we close the add-in and go to our tool library, we'll see that a new local tool library called Haas Tooling Add-In has been created. It has the tool and the holder we just imported. Haas workholding can be accessed via the data panel in Fusion. Expand the data panel and go to CAM samples. Next, select workholding and then select Haas automation. Select the folder that contains the workholding you're looking for, and once you've found it, open the document. Now, save the document to one of your projects. Now, navigate to your project folder and drag the workholding into your document. One of the features of the Haas Tooling Add-in is that it scans the active document for Haas tools, holders, and workholding, allowing you to seamlessly purchase everything you need to make your part on your machine. As items are selected in the list, you can see where they're used in the project. Workholding is shown in the 3D view, and tools are shown in the toolpaths they are used in. You can add an item to your cart by clicking the cart icon for that item, or you can add all items by clicking the cart icon in the top row. To add items from the catalog to your cart, click the plus icon. Once the catalog opens, use the filters to find the tools you'd like to add. Here, we'll add some drills to our cart. After you select the items, click the cart icon. As you add the tools to your cart, you'll be asked whether or not you'd like to add them to your tool library. After you've added the tools, click Close to close the catalog. Now you'll see the tools have been added to your cart. If you'd like to remove an item from the cart, click the X beside it. You can set the quantities for each of the items in the quantity field. To complete your purchase, click Proceed to Purchase. If you're in the US or EU, this will bring you to the Haas Tooling website, where you can add the items to your cart by clicking Add to Cart. Once you've added the items to your cart, you can continue shopping on the Haas site, or you can go to your cart to complete your checkout. To complete your checkout, click Proceed to Checkout. Then log in with your Haas account to complete the order. If you're in a region that doesn't support purchasing, you can generate a cart list. To do that, click Generate Cart List. Navigate to the location on your hard drive where you'd like to save the file, and then click Save. This list contains all of the items in your cart and can be used to help purchase the items from your local HFO.